roster who are teenagers. That is remarkable. Porter Jr. inside for Wood, and Wood with the flush.
He would get offensive fouls just in that manner. The drop step arm whip has been scouted, no doubt, as Tice knocks that one down from the left corner.
They'll only make one trip to Houston. Towns drills the triple.
Carl trying to establish himself here early on. Minnesota's not been able to capitalize on the offensive rebounds they've got.
Yeah, they've got 4 offensive boards, only 2 points, and the transition bucket there by Houston ties it up at 9. Russell weaves his way to the glass.
No help that time.
Okogie fakes the handoff and takes the dunk. And Steven Silas has seen enough. Yeah, they're 4 of 7 on 2s. They're 1 of 9 on 3s. They've gotten the line a bunch, though, and how about that finish there by Jalen Green?
Winning the rebounding battle 12-4 as well here early on.
By the way, that officially the first basket of Jalen Green's NBA career. What Rockets fans are hoping are the first of many. Anthony Edwards gets his first triple of the season.
Yeah. How about that move?
And Green showing it all off in the last couple of possessions. Anytime the Timberwolves are on pace to shoot about 50 free throws here tonight. They're already 10 of 12 at the line. Edwards on the attack, and Ants can fly!
The building was empty, playing into an empty arena. It was fun, but it wasn't as fun as it's going to be this year.
Oh, it's going to be so much fun watching all the fans wearing the Anthony Edwards jerseys and getting up and cheering meantime.
What we're seeing here defensively from Minnesota is what we've seen in all of the practices that we've been to.
Russell.
Could have been a foul right there as he sifts his way past DJ Augustine. But Minnesota needs more size and rebounding in that starting lineup. Good poke away there by Houston, getting the ball out of Naz Reid's hands.
Porter Jr. coast to coast with the flush.
No look pass by D'Lo finds the hands of a Houston defender.
Oh, Vanderbilt breaks up the alley-oop opportunity. Prince ahead to Reid.
Looked like that was a foul right there. D'Angelo Russell, an excellent post-up point guard. He's big. He's got the ability to back guys down.
Corner 3 is good, and Porter Jr. straight games Saturday and Monday here in downtown Minneapolis.
Without Zion.
Towns.
Lefty hook that time. Nice pass by Ant again. Basketball on the way up, too, as Jaden McDaniels gets a steal here.
And then turns it into a couple of points. His first points of the season. Gordon
just hounding people.
Wolves come up with it again. Edwards for McDaniels. And the sophomore connection sizzling.
Shy about getting on the floor, getting some floor burns. Of course, the tights they wear now make it a lot more palatable.
Timberwolves already have 66 on the board. Edwards out of the corner, buries the triple. Beasley just knocks it away. Finds Edwards wide open. Thank you, sir. I'll have another. Green scoops it off for Wood.
You're going to give up some of those.
Then he hit the final 30 seconds of that first half for some reason.
Towns up at the level of the screen that time. Minnesota scrambling out of it. Christian Wood still makes it, like you said, Dave.
Timberwolves scoreless in the first 2 minutes plus of this third quarter. And Tice there for the putback slam. Looked like Okogie got it. Towns was there as well. Green out of the corner. And Jalen Green has his first made career NBA three.
He's going to be.
Russell in rhythm, pulls up, hits it. Gordon cross court for Nwaba. And the follow slam there by Şengün. J-Mac feeds Reid. That was pretty.
Those two have a special bond. I mean,
Edwards scoreless in the second half. No, 7 of 8 at home. Edwards up to steal and in, coast to coast. Score, and they're going to say, okay, well, it's the Houston Rockets. They're in full rebuild mode as Ant turns it over, and a breakaway dunk the other way for Nwaba. Sitting at your local watering hole. Armani Brooks, through 20 games played, has the most made threes of any player in NBA history. As Nwaba finishes in transition.
Fans here trying to get him to score. He was great in the exhibition season. His teammates love him.
KJ Martin with the dunk. Well, 2 people come to mind when I think about the I don't care how you say my name. One was Roni Turioff. Is it Ronnie or Roni? Morrow has it knocked away, and another bucket for the Rock for about 2 seconds. Then they turned it back on. The officials just let it go. And that is going to close it.
Yeah.